Hi, I'm Jason from Josco, and we're here today to talk to you about mounted flat wheels. So flat wheels come in a variety of sizes, from 30mm diameter all the way up to 80mm diameter. The advantages of using flat wheels is the flexibility. When you're working on contour pieces, they're very flexible, they have high stock removal, and with the flaps, it means that they're wearing uniformly, which gives you a better finish on the product. Examples of where you would use a flat wheel is in fine grinding and mould applications, in hard to reach spots, and on non-ferrous metals and alloys. Flat wheels come in a range of grits from 40 grit all the way up to 320 grit. You get higher stock removal with a coarser grit, and then a finer nice finish with the finer grit. With the shanks deep, you need to make sure that they're at least 15mm into the tool. You cannot exceed the maximum RPMs, and eye protection, hearing protection and safety gear must be worn at all times.